my name is Danny. I'm from Minnesota State University, Moorhead. Today I'm going to show you how to make powdered media, DMEM powdered media. So we're actually going to make a liter of media. One bottle is equivalent to 1 liter. And so we'll pour about 500 milliliters of water into a large beaker, which also has a stir bar inside of it. Like I said, this one bottle of media will make a liter, but we don't want to use a liter right away of water just because we have other components we're adding, plus we have to pH, so we want a QS at the end. So this one bottle will go inside of here and rinse it out with some filtered water just to ensure all the components are inside. This media will be stored in the refrigerator, and you just have to bring it to room temperature before beginning to work with it. Because this media doesn't have all the components as our liquid media did, we have to add sodium bicarb to it. We use 2.1 grams of sodium bicarb per liter of media, and this was already pre-weighed out. And you can add this directly to your media, and it will change the color of it, just so you know. So we'll wait for that to be stirred. What we're also going to add to it once it's a complete mixture is 100x glutamine. And this is because it's not included in the media, and it's essential for the cells to grow in. You can slowly add a little bit more water if the solution isn't going in. But you just don't want to add it all because we are going to pH it before we're done. You want to have a pH of around 7.4. We already pre-calibrated our pH meters, so we don't have to worry about that process. Generally, your pH of your media won't be too far off from what you actually need it to be. And because it is a little basic, we are going to add some 1 molar HCl to it to bring it down to around pH of 7.4.
Go. pH for dry media actually
Do
is
this in a dropwise
7.2.
motion just because it does change pH rapidly. Especially using higher concentrations or molarity of acid. So 7.42 is close enough to 7.4 where it won't matter. It won't affect our cells. Once this is done, we can add the 100x glutamine right directly to this. Here. And we're also adding an antibiotic to it. We're adding Penstrep, and this is 100x, so we're diluting it down to 1x also. So both of those components need to go into this DMEM media that we're making. So once those are stirred, we will measure it in the graduated cylinder and then QS to a liter. So this right now is base media. Before we make a complete media. All we have to do is add 10% FBS to it, fetal bovine sera, as we did in our liquid media. So to do that, all we do is put it back on the stir plate, put the media back in the beaker, and actually we add 950 milliliters of media. Excuse me, 900 milliliters of media. And then we add 100 mils of FBS to make up for the 100 mils that we took out to make 10% complete media. So once this is mixed up, we can filter, sterilize, and aliquot into smaller bottles as we did in the liquid media. And you can refer to that video to find out that procedure. Thank you.